Hello everyone, this is Megan from Kenhub and welcome to another anatomy tutorial. In this tutorial we will be looking at the liver from the anterior view. The liver is the largest organ in the abdomen and therefore it is essential for us to know its structure from all aspects. So firstly, I want to begin this tutorial by talking a bit about the liver in general. The liver is an accessory organ of the GI tract and has many functions. It's located in the upper right quadrant of the abdomen and extends across the epigastrium into the upper left quadrant. The liver has several important functions, including detoxification, protein synthesis, biochemical production, and nutrient storage. It's also the largest gland in the body and is made up of 4 anatomical lobes. We will discuss these lobes in greater detail in another tutorial, but today we are going to focus on the structures we can see when we look at the anterior view of the liver, and the structures closely related to it. The first structure that we're going to look at that is closely related to the liver is the diaphragm. We can see it here highlighted in green. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped sheet made up of skeletal muscle and tendon. It's situated in the trunk of the body and separates the thoracic and abdominal cavities. The superior border of the diaphragm is continuous with the xiphoid process anteriorly. Laterally, it's continuous with the lower 6 costal cartilages. Finally, it's also continuous with the 1st to 3rd lumbar vertebrae posteriorly. The superior surface of the liver faces the inferior surface of the diaphragm. The liver is strongly attached to the diaphragm via the ligament highlighted in green here. It's known as the coronary ligament. This ligament is a reflection of peritoneum that runs between the diaphragmatic surface and the visceral surface of the liver. It has 2 portions, an anterior one and a posterior one. Between these 2 portions of the coronary ligament, we see the bare area of the liver. As we just saw in our previous slide, the area between the anterior and posterior part of the coronary ligament is called the bare area of the liver. The bare area of the liver is the portion of the liver that is firmly attached to the inferior surface of the diaphragm via the coronary ligament. We can see it here highlighted in green in our illustration. This part of the liver is not covered by peritoneum, hence the name bare area. The 2 portions of the coronary ligament that we saw earlier come together laterally to form the triangular ligaments. The right triangular ligament of the liver is this triangular fold of peritoneum seen here in green on the right side. It is situated between the right lobe of the liver and the diaphragm, forming the right end of the coronary ligament. On the left side, between the liver and the diaphragm, is the other triangular peritoneal fold known as the left triangular ligament. Here we can see it on the posterior aspect of the liver highlighted in green.
This video is not over yet. Continue watching now the full video at kenhub.com. We have lots more videos like this one available to our premium members on our website, not to mention all the fun quizzes, related articles, and atlas sections. So click on the button in the middle to watch the full-length video and master anatomy.